everyone, Shalom, Yuval here again from Pollination Ventures on another backyard video from lockdown Tel Aviv, in which I'm covering another Israeli technology that's helping combat with the outbreak of the virus. Notice that all my videos are all reviewing different technologies which are enabling the health officials deal with coping with the virus, and this company specifically is enabling a small group of doctors to handle a lot of patients simultaneously over a large scale, and most importantly, remotely. Okay, I'm talking about an Israeli company called DATOS Health. Okay, part affiliated with Matrix, as you might have seen in my other videos, one of the Matrix technology companies. And DATOS, what they do, they're a telemedicine company. So they've been around for about 5 years by now, offering all sorts of remote telemedicine services, so they can remotely monitor patients with heart disease, with diabetics. There's a whole bunch of different protocols in which they're already proving their technology. Now what they've done is they set up a specific monitoring protocol for COVID patients. And so it enables health officials to remotely handle many COVID patients simultaneously. Just remember, when you're affected with COVID, you need not necessarily be admitted to a hospital. You might be asked to stay at home if you're feeling okay. Or you might be admitted into a Corona hotel, as they have here in Tel Aviv. I've cordoned off a few hotels, and they're all admitted with COVID patients. And so when the patients are in hospital, in isolation, not in hospital, in isolation, the system, which is a web-based system, sends them a text message twice a day. The patients need not download an app. Nothing stored on their mobile devices. I mean, as I say, even my grandmother could use this. You get a text message, you click a link, a little web app opens up on your screen. You fill in, you answer a survey, a whole bunch of questions. How are you feeling? How do you sleep? Are you coughing? Are you not coughing? Most importantly, what is your temperature? Okay. No external, no peripheral devices. You just go use a thermometer, measure your temperature, and then just type it into the screen. And basically on the other side, you've got doctors. They've got a dashboard full of many patients. Okay, I'll try to put some screenshots up here on the side that enable you to, the system autonomously monitors all these patients remotely, and only the ones that are exhibiting higher parameters than expected, it is those patients that the doctors actually starts to interact with personally. So in that case, once again, they'll send you a link. You'll open up a link. A video chat room will be set up, and the doctor will be interfacing with you via video, interviewing you, typing in the information, figuring out what next to do. And so what's it enabling to do? It's enabling two things. One, enables a small group of doctors to, on a very scalable, web-based, secure platform, handle many patients in parallel across the country. That's one. Two, this is the most important thing. As the epidemic spreads and the number of doctors get infected and have to be isolated and sent home from isolation, and in a way you could say that your medical force is diminished, those doctors can work from home remotely through the system, through DATOS' system, and handle a whole bunch of patients as a number of patients increases. So the system is secure. It stands by all the HIPAA health regulations, privacy that are required in the US. In fact, it's right now installed at a hospital in the US, as well as across Israel, and now they're installing at a European hospital as well. Very easy to scale up, web-based, very important, need not interface with your hospital database. So it can be a standalone system which will enable easy scale up and rollout on a very quick basis. It's a SaaS model. It's a monthly subscription model. So basically you buy packages of, you want a subscription to handle 200 patients, 2,000 patients as needed. It's a monthly subscription model. So very easy to implement. I'll leave some more information in the show notes. If you want more details, reach out to me. That's it for today. Stay safe. Wash your hands. All the best from Tel Aviv.